Good morning, my powerful MVP family. It's your girl, Miss Bev, in the house. I am home and in my element, guys. I'm back home from. See, I'm in my flannels, right? It was a little cool last night. And so I'm back in my flannels. I'm back in my flannels. This is my little babe thing right here. But I'm back and just want you to know that it's a good thing. I was able to bring all my stuff back. I brought back some um gifts for people who have never been to Jamaica, and I wanted to give them some stuff, just a little taste of Jamaica. And but everything came, guys. Nothing was broken. Everything came in perfectly safe. And I will talk to you later about my trip and our moving forward, the updates for the soup kitchen. I will share that with you soon. So blessings again, guys. Blessings wherever you are. Thank you for all your support while I was down there. It was it was so refreshingly awesome. The air, the atmosphere, the environment. It was positive energies right through and through. And I was talking to my younger twin this morning. We had such a refreshing conversation. Like we're talking like for an hour and a half. And I'm just grateful. My brother was right on spot last night to pick me up when I came to Fort Lauderdale, to came to Florida. When you come in, wherever you exit the plane, whatever your port of entry is, you have to go through the immigration stuff. And man, my suitcase was so heavy. I paid for the excess weight, and even the hand luggage I checked in because it was heavy. It had sugar cane in it. It had some of the sorrel beer thing, and it had stuff in it, and it was heavy. A couple bottles of honey, and stuff. So I put that on board as well. And then when I came, the dog was sniffing my hand luggage, the smaller piece of luggage. And I was like, I wasn't around any kind of drugs. I don't do drugs. I don't smoke. I don't drink. I don't do any of that. So why is this dog sniffing my thing? The guy took it over the turn, the carousel, and opened it. Then I saw him writing something. Then he wrote something on the tag. And I said, my God, what is this? And anyhow, he put it back on the carousel, and I grabbed it off, put it on my cart. Then the big thing comes, they didn't sniff that. They just, I pulled it off. So when I went through to the immigration lady, she says, oh, you have to go around to agriculture. So she got up out her seat with my passport and took me through a space there and handed me off to another lady. Then that lady took me to this other place. I stood in line. But then it was a laugh out loud moment because there was a lady in front of me, and I said, why are we here? And she said, because we brought the stuff, the Jamaican stuff back. She had stewed June plum. She had frozen jackfruit. She had a breadfruit. She had fried fish. She said, girl, I have everything here. I know they want to take it. They want to take it. I said, maybe if it's properly done, they're not going to take it. So sure enough, I had to lug this heavy suitcase onto the x-ray machine and the thing. Lug them both up there. And it went through. And all he said, what do you have in there? I said, I have honey. I have a little bit of sirisi. I have some soursop leaf. I have sugar cane. I have rum. I have some Appleton Gold. I have rum cream. So he said, he didn't see anything. He just looked at a couple of things and put them back. He says, okay, go. So luckily, the way things were packed and the way that I use bigger stuff to cover, like a shield then, so it wasn't like things that had to go back and didn't have space. Everything had space. So I just quickly did what I needed to do, zip it up, and kept moving. But it was a long day, guys. A long, long day when I got in. I'm so grateful to my daughter. I told her, I said, I'm so happy that you had that you had given me such a long layover, because otherwise I wouldn't make a darn plane. Guys, I was going and I walk fast. I'm telling you. And I was going and going and going and going. Went back upstairs, went through the security again, and oh my God. Then we got out and had to find my boarding gate. And I'm walking and I'm walking and I'm walking and I'm walking and I'm walking. Because I'm going to E. And we were like all the way over the side. We got to G. And then I started to keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh my God, it was a full exercise. But God is good, guys. I tell people, I said, lift me up, don't push me down, because you know what? God has been great. And regardless of my weight, I was doing great. I didn't have my daughters accompanying me. It was just me by myself. And I got it done. I got it done with Christ by my side. I walked. I kept up. I walked. I walked. I walked. Man, I walked. And then when I got to E, I said, all right. And I got a seat and I sat down. But then they changed it to E4. And I went to E4, sat for a minute, charged up my phone. And then there was a little restaurant. At first I saw pizza on the way. And I thought about stopping and getting pizza. But I wanted to be at my gate. I wanted to know where the gate was. And so I didn't stop for pizza or anything. I didn't even stop for water. I just kept walking and walking and walking. But for me, walking on a flat surface is perfect for me. I will walk, We were doing how much blocks in the morning. And so that's fine for me. And we were going uphill. And one section has a hill to climb. But I'm thankful, guys. And now I'm here. And I'm back at home. My Usain Bolt and my master friend Bob Marley. So I'm back home, guys. I'm back in my element. And I'm thankful for that. I'm very thankful. So it was a great vacation. Very great little, like a little conference. And we got a lot done. So I'll give an update later. And just wanting you to know that Miss Bev is back here in Connecticut. And I'm going to enjoy this. It's now after 12 my time. So I'm going to enjoy this. And then I didn't have breakfast because I woke up and was talking to my daughter. And I had some stuff to get done at my desk. Had to get done. So I sat there and got it done after I spoke to my daughter. And now I'm going to eat and then go shower. And then get a few more things done. But it was good, guys. And the trip give me new insights and where to go and how to get it done moving forward, and so I can put things in place now. So much love to you, my YouTube family and friends. Much love to you trending live. I see you. It's nighttime in your country, in the Philippines, but I see you up watching videos and sharing out videos. I so truly, truly, truly appreciate you. Sister Dawkins, I heard from you this morning. Yes, msbevsproductions, become a stronger, better me, 1 pound at a time, one blessing at a time. And it's true. We don't want to force ourselves into, oh, well, I have to lose 10 pounds by this week. And then the following week you put on 20 pounds. Take it in strides, guys. A little bit at a time. Understand that fat is energy too. So I was able to push through yesterday. I wasn't, I was able to push through. I can carry my weight. My weight is even out except for this fat belly and my arms. But they I'm not skinny feet and whatever. I have, God really made me well when he made me. So I'm able to just carry my body weight and do what I need to do in a decent way. And not crouching and leaning up anywhere, but just keep going. So just as you focus on your weight, guys, just get up and move. As I said, just dance. Dance the cares away. Dance. Just dance. Whistle a tune. You're cooking sometimes. Just stop and dance. Whatever you're doing, you're showered, you come out of the shower, you dry yourself off, but you were singing in the shower, burning up calories, and you get out the shower, you dry yourself off, and you lotion up, and you put a little powder on, and you dance. You dance. Because you know what? When your mind is in a good place, you find that you can do what you need to do. So just get your mind in that good place and just don't focus on the weight and make it become you only. There's so much beauty about us. So let us make those things become a part of us too. So as you go about your journey, Bev Brown girl, please, I'm so respectful of you and so proud of you, and we know there's some things we're working on, and I know you're gonna get it done because you are totally awesome. Go over there, guys, and keep working with her to go up to 1,000 and maintain the 1,000 and above. We see a couple people unsubscribe, but please go back and put your subscription in and give her a chance to just continue growing. So go over to Bev Brown, guys, and just big her up and tell her Miss Bev sent you. Um, Jamaica K Lifestyle, awesome, you're growing. Guys, please remember her channel. Go over there. That's an awesome, awesome, beautiful young lady, the youngest in our team, but an awesome spirit, an awesome, awesome human being. And I'm asking you to please help her, support her. She has taken on the responsibility of raising little Kayla, who is an orphan. We have to help her. We have to help them. And we just pray for her family, her and her family, her husband, and that little Kayla. She is something awesome. And we know she's going to become, a high achiever because we believe in her and she believes in herself. When we tell her the positive, you just see that beautiful smile breaks out, and it is just a blessing. So I'm going to be asking for support for her, just to make sure that she stays in school. She has food, lunch when she gets to school. I will be shipping some stuff down there. So if anybody has anything to contribute, I will appreciate it. But I will talk to you about that again at another time. But it's just marvelous how God, when He blesses us and we have that good mind, that as He blesses us, we become a blessing to others, and we see how He provides. He provides, He provides, He provides. All right, so jump over, guys, and support Jet. Go over and support like Jet, guys. She has her little channel. She doesn't do movie videos of such. She do the shorts, and so, but still support her. Anything is better than nothing. Life, Little J plays. You can go over there, guys, and support her as well. And so, show them some love. Trending, go over and support Trending. Buddha, I think if you type in Buddha, oh boy, I forgot his or her. It's a her, but all supportive people. And the Jordan, the J Jordan, he just keeps on sharing my videos, watching and sharing. Man of few words, or a young man of few words, is very young, but he supports, and I like and appreciate that. So let us support, guys. Let us support. Let us support, because each one helps one. None of us are islands. Each man as a brother and each man as a friend. So let us get out and do that, and so that we can grow together. Some of us are going to bring forth an abundance of fruits. Some are going to some will bring forth, not such a great abundance, but we're bringing forth fruits. The important thing is that we're bringing fruits, right? We're bringing forth some fruits. So let us support one another, guys, so we can all bear some fruits together. And so I say, again, I'm home. I'm thankful. Danny is fine. My brother picked me up, and that was awesome. I was here at Bradley's airport, and a little man, it seems like security or something, he came up to me and says, "Do you need help?" And I said, "Oh my God, how does he know I need help? I'm just standing there waiting for my things to come." But of course, I said, "Yeah, I'm going to need help. How did you know that?" And he stood there with me, and he's from India, something. His language, it seems like, I'm just not, but it seems like, keyword seems like he had an Indian cultural look. And the language seems like from that region as well. And he stood with me, and the heavy things come around, and he says, "Just show me, don't pick it up, just show me." So it has to be God who sent this man to me. And he grabbed the heavy stuff, and he got a cart, he put them on it, and he wheeled it outside. And guys, I didn't have 1 penny in cash. I didn't have $1 in cash. But God provided. When my brother came, he called, he says, I'm here. And we got outside and and the guy was standing there and he says, I could leave them. I says, no, please wait. Please wait. I want to give you a tip. And he says, okay. And he waited and he says, tell your brother, and he pointed to the sign. And so I'm telling Lincoln, but he was stuck behind two big things. So my brother is saying, Beverly, nothing is moving. I'm here at wherever it was. And I said, all right, let's walk up to him. And the guy pushed the things for me in on the cart and went up. And I said to my brother, do you have change? Make sure you have change in the truck. And he says, I do have change, sis. And my God, guys, when I went, he was able to give the man, I think, $8. And I said, thank you so much. And he was happy and left. So God provides, guys. We have to just see how he provides. And we cannot just sit back and because we don't see a big bulk of stuff, that we're not acknowledging the little things that he puts in place for us. Some of us are looking for too much, that we are overlooking the little awesome things. So yeah, guys, I gave you enough time to enjoy my brown stew chicken with the carrot and rice and peas. And now I am going to enjoy it. Probably a little cold, probably just warm. But hey, it has to be warm to go down the palate, right? So no big deal. Make it a great day by choice, my people. I love you all. I love and respect all of you. And thank you for giving that back to me. Thank you. Make it a great day by choice. Bye-bye.